One of the most versatile and must-have tools that makes life easier, the lithium foam cutter, offers precise foam cutting. Its USB lithium-ion battery ensures portability and cordless convenience. The Ryobi cutter heats up in under 2 minutes and features high and low temperature settings, which can be adjusted. The sharp blade effortlessly cuts through various foam types like EPS and XPS, yielding clean and smooth results. As an avid DIY enthusiast, this foam cutter is invaluable for crafting custom foam inserts. The price of this tool is $99. Moving on, we have some amazing tools coming up in the video later, which would excite every DIY enthusiast. This is a gold standard sheet metal hole cutter that quickly installs into the chuck of any corded or cordless drill. The manufacturers of this tool claim that this is the fastest and most efficient way to cut holes through metal sheets. They come in 2 models, where an HC1 hole cutter is adjustable for making 51 to 305mm diameter holes, whereas the larger HC2 hole cutter cuts 51 to 508mm holes. Both of these versions can cut holes in 1.02 thick galvanized steel plates. It comes in at $100. We also have another drilling machine coming up, which can drill holes in railway tracks. This is a revolutionary tool designed for the easy transportation and installation of polyethylene pipes. Its robust frame, ergonomic handles, and sturdy wheels allow the effortless movement of heavy pipes across various terrains and job sites. One person can easily load a length of pipe without strain. The pipe can then be easily pushed through the roller-equipped hook arm into the fusion machine. The jack enables the operator to raise and lower the poly porter to level the pipe in uneven terrain to the height of the machine. The price for a single stand is $768. Coming up next, we have an unusual hammer that will excite any DIY enthusiast. This is a great versatile tool that performs up to 7 tasks along with being an unusual hammer. The hammer fist functions as a mallet, square, ruler, nail puller, bottle opener, hex driver, and most importantly, a hammer. The tool features a comfortable ergonomic grip and has an all-around steel frame that can be used to strike nails. Hammer fist can be held in 3 different positions as it has 3 strike plates. Moreover, it weighs just 400 grams and has a modest price of $25. Our next tool will impress the welders watching our video as it eases their job. This tool is handy for plumbers and people working in the welding industry. Its basic purpose is to deburr and enlarge the insides of pipes before welding or threading. This tool applies to pipe sizes ranging from 6 to 100mm. These reamers are compatible with various pipe materials, including steel, copper, and plastic, making them versatile for different projects. The tool offers a lifetime warranty, and the price is over $300. The next tool on our list solves a problem every DIY enthusiast must have encountered when working with wood. The Grabber tool helps you do woodworking tasks with ultimate safety. You no longer have to worry about your fingers while cutting, drilling, or sanding woodwork. This is ideal for use on table saws, router tables, joiners, and bandsaws. One of the key advantages of the Milescraft Grabber is its portability and ease of use. Moreover, its ergonomic handle provides superior control and maximum grip while keeping your hands away from the cutting tools. This convenient tool comes for $39. Moving on, we have another similar tool that can help you lift heavy tiles by just clamping over that tool over it. The Goat Steep Assist Roof Ladder is a specialized ladder that facilitates safer and easier access to steep sloped roofs. This ladder is essential for roofing professionals, contractors, and homeowners who must work on high-pitched roofs without compromising safety. The design of this tool is simple, as it contains a hook that can be attached to the roof, and it can withstand a maximum load of 159 kilograms. The ladder weighs 7 kilograms and can be in a bag when disassembled. It comes in various models, and a 7.2 meter deluxe set costs $670. We have another impressive tool coming up that can accompany your ladder, giving you maximum safety and balance. Another unique tool, this offers precise spray and a high flow rate over a greater distance than its competitors. Moreover, it's 30% cheaper than its competitors, making it ideal for painting roads and industries. This spray can paint 500 meters in 50 minutes, which is 40% faster than its competitors. The width of the spray can be adjusted from 50 to 120 millimeters, and its bearing wheels ensure straight application on asphalt and concrete. Apart from the paint, it also features a tape version that can be used to identify warehouse routes. Coming up next, we have another tool any woodworker or DIY enthusiast would love to own. When working with wood, you definitely need to have a log splitter. When the market's too expensive, this German company's produced a cheaper yet amazing wood splitter that's made of cast iron and is said to last a lifetime. The basic purpose of this log splitter is to cut firewood for a campfire or fireplace, as it has a maximum log length of 33 centimeters. The splitter weighs 4.4 kilograms and can be easily fixed to a wall, helping you cut wood for a lifetime. The price of this log splitter is $120. We're getting into the top 10 tools on our list today, and we still have some of the best ones remaining. This is an efficient tool in the telecommunication and electrical industry where workers have to feed wires into ducts and sockets. The Easy 50 pole line blower uses compressed air to push a small projectile, such as a foam or rubber bullet, through the conduit. The polling line is then attached to the projectile and pulled back through the conduit, enabling the installation of cables or wires. It's compatible with cables ranging from 18 to 50 millimeters in diameter. The price of the tool is $1,700. This is an ideal tool for your garage, as its powerful motor offers 10,000 psi of maximum pressure, providing precise and consistent greasing of bearings, gears, and other components. The variable speed trigger allows for better control over the amount of grease dispensed, reducing waste and ensuring proper lubrication. The tool weighs only 6 kilograms and has a built-in LED light that helps locate hard-to-see grease fittings in low light. Attention DIY lovers, as our next tool is a must-have for you as it scrapes off tough old residue you desperately want to get rid of. Want to get rid of tough stains or prepare something for woodwork on a DIY project? Get this scraper designed to remove old paint, glue residue, varnish, and other materials from different surfaces, including wood, metal, and plastic. The scraper's ability to quickly remove unwanted substances from surfaces makes it useful for refinishing furniture, restoring old woodwork, or preparing surfaces for painting and finishing. Wolfcraft Scrapers often feature a sharp blade made of high-quality steel, and its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its price is $37. Let's get into an innovative multi-tool that works on various materials. Developed by Hilti, this powerful cordless multi-tool can help in several tasks. The tool can be used on drywall, wood, mortar, paint, cement, metal, PVC, and other materials. A wide range of inserts are available and easy to change. This incredible tool features a bigger oscillating angle of up to 4 degrees that covers a wide material area in less time. It can be used for metal, PVC, renovation, and wood cutting. The price may be a problem, as it's available for $800, and you can only pre-order it from their website. Next, we have a special tool that can immensely benefit farmers. This is a professional-grade crimping tool designed for agricultural fencing and wire-related applications. It's commonly used in farming and agriculture to secure wire connections, ensuring sturdy and durable fencing installations. The tool provides strong and consistent crimps, helping to prevent wire slippage and improving the overall reliability of the fence. It's light enough to work single-handedly, and its ergonomic design ensures smooth action. We're down to the top 5 tools today, so watch till the end as we save the best for last. This tool is specifically designed for the maple syrup industry, as it's used to install fittings into maple sap tubing. It contains a built-in cutting lever for cutting the tubing and slicing it into lateral lines. Its solid steel construction is built to last a lifetime and weighs only 2 kilograms. Manufactured in the USA, this tool sells for $199 and is essential for maple syrup manufacturers. The next tool on our list is for professionals, as it eases their work, reducing the workload and manual labor. This is a specialized tool in the tiling industry, as it's designed to make the transportation and positioning of large and heavy tiles or slabs more manageable and efficient. It features a robust and lightweight frame with adjustable arms or clamps that securely hold the tiles in place during transport. The pressure of the clamps can be increased or reduced depending upon the use, and it can be an ideal tool when moving heavier tiles. The price of one set is $2,000. Remember the tool that drills holes in railway lines? Let's get into that. Geismar Narval is a battery-powered rail drilling machine used in the railway industry. This specialized tool is designed to efficiently and accurately drill holes in railway tracks and related infrastructure. The entire system weighs 16.4 kilograms and can drill holes in 60 seconds. With a single charge, this device can provide up to 28 drills. It also features LED lighting, low vibration, and 2 rotation speeds. The Proxxon cordless tube belt sander is a portable and versatile power tool designed for sanding and finishing various materials, particularly tubes and rounded surfaces. This tube belt sander features a narrow, elongated sanding belt that wraps around the curved surface of tubes or pipes, allowing for efficient sanding and smoothing of edges. This tool has variable speed control, enabling users to adjust the sanding speed to suit different materials and applications. The device weighs 900 grams, and the entire kit is priced at $275. Coming down to the number 1 position, we have an amazing ladder gadget that aims to solve our biggest problem with ladders. Plenty of accidents fall from ladders every year, as the surface below is uneven. This incredible gadget's a lightweight, easy-to-use ladder leveler set up in seconds and has no moving parts. The Pivot Ladder Tool's unique 5-in-1 multi-purpose design allows this product to function as a ladder stabilizer, ladder jack, ladder shelf, ladder standoff, and tool carrier, cost-effectively replacing a handful of single-use competitor ladder accessories. The platform's made of rubber grippers which keep it from slipping, ensuring maximum safety. This gadget's priced at $125.